They are gracefully jumping over each hurdle. Maintain your pace and focus. Well done, children. Give a big round of applause to your parents. Second position is bagged by Shivam. And first position goes to Robin. Hussain. Second prize goes to Shauryaveer Singh. And first position is bagged by Hashmeet Singh. Give a big round of applause for all these winners of today's sports event. Second position goes to Shraddha Bharti. And first position is bagged by Shaurya. Second position goes to Athar. And first position is bagged by Anish Gupta. Give them a big round of applause. The hurdle race. Third position is bagged by Kartika. Second position goes to Sanaya. And first position is bagged by two participants, Devansh Pal and Prashant.
Thanks from all of us for coming and gracing today's function. I hope you all enjoyed our innovative races and the mass PTs they did. Let's give a big round of applause for everyone. I also want to thank my decoration team, the announcers, the creators, and all the track controllers for making this function a great success. Thank you so much for your continuous support and cooperation given to us from time to time for making our functions a success. Thank you, parents. And this is the last mass PT. Enjoy, and then you can collect your students from the gates allotted to them. Thanks again to all of you.
म्यूजिकल चेयर।
You cannot turn back. You have to cross the whole circle. Give them a big round of applause, Mrs. Neha and Mr. Gaurav Singh. Well done, parents. Devika ma'am.
She's not here.
God bless. ऐसे फोटो खिंचाओ। सर आ जाइए। आप लोग आ जाइए, हम लेंगे फोटोग्राफ। अच्छा, मैम ले रही, मैम ले रही। कम।
Look at me, please.
Because you did so well. Congratulations.
ये इन टीचर्स के अंदर बहुत जोश है। चाहे एक स्पोर्ट्स डे और अभी करा दो इनका।